This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Can you please open your presentation? Okay, we are talking about furlough, right? Okay, what is furlough and all we'll discuss today. And today I will give you a task. Can you please open your notepad? Give me control as well. Yeah. First task. Find out number of characters. Still, I'm not able to type properly. Can you please take care? So first question is nothing. It's a basic question. Example, guys, I have one word. It can be any word. Okay, example, I given echo. Hello. Okay. So if I give hello like this, my requirement is find out how many characters in this word. That is first question. Now the second question is how many okay, what is the position of E here in this word? Can you please write down what is the position of letter E? Write down. What is the position of letter E in the given word? Word in the given word. Yeah. Means what is the position of letter E? Generally, I am asking which position it is. Second position, right? We know that, but with shell script we have to say that. You have to write down the logic for that. So, guys, text by using text processing tools, you can do that. Now, the third question. Hmm. Wait down. So, in third position, what is the letter we have? Reverse question for third question. Make it as third and second and third. Second one is not question. It just make it at the beginning of the task, because for all of them this is the base. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ కన్నా ముందే పెట్టు, దానికి కూడా ఇదే బేస్. Not only hello guys, it can be any other word, your wish. I give an example as hello. ఓకే, దాని నుంచి మీరు ఇన్పుట్ తీసుకొని you have to write your own shell scripts. Yeah, now write down. Third question. What is the letter we have in third position? What is the letter we have in third position? ఏముంది guys? What is the keyword we have in third? What is the letter? L. L is the third position in that keyword. What is the letter? Letter you missed. Second question also position. Spelling wrong. Position. Yeah. Here third question, it's not a third question. We have an given word. No, no. Please write a question properly. Write question properly. What is the letter we have in third position? Not question. We have in third position. So L is the answer for that. Okay. Next, fourth question. Okay. In given word, how many letters are repeated? In given word, how many letters are repeated? So guys, here you can use Google also. I don't have any problem, because definitely these are not easy questions. You can use Google. Okay, understand the logic, how they are writing. So different options we have. So based on that, you can finish them. But finish. Don't just ignore. Fifth question. Uh, take two numbers as the positional parameters. Means any two number. Write down. Take any two numbers as a positional parameter. Take any two as a positional parameter and print even number, print and print even numbers. Example 1 to 10. First one is 1, last number is 10. Okay, now any number, any two numbers you have to take. and print even numbers between them. Now, sixth question. Same, print odd numbers. Print odd numbers. It is related to fifth question. Print odd numbers. Seventh one. Okay. So, guys, one question for you. Just I forgot that name. Example triple one, triple two. Reverse also same number, right? Even strings also we have something like that. Okay. So, what we can call that kind of behavior? Hmm?
Palindrome.
Something I forgot that name.
Palindrome, sir.
Recursive.
Ah, exactly. Palindrome, palindrome. Okay. So, guys, my question is the given string is palindrome or not? Right now. The given string. So, you have to take any string like hello, a test, triple one. If it is palindrome, it should say palindrome. If it is not palindrome, you have to say like this is not palindrome. The given string is palindrome or not. So you can take any string, same echo triple one. You have to find out that is a string, that is a palindrome or not. Maybe you can take it as a positional parameter, any string instead of echo command. Okay, na? I hope you understood what is palindrome. Palindrome means even if you reverse also you'll get the same name, same digit, like triple one, triple two. So maybe the words also just a minute. Palindrome examples for string. Yeah, level, radar. Okay. So these are the palindromes. Means even if you reverse also, you'll get the same name. Level, example level. Even if you reverse the name also, you'll get the same name. That is what palindrome. Okay. Take one string or digit as a positional parameter and find out palindrome or not. Here guys, you have to use positional parameter, I mean variables, text processing tools, if condition, for loop, all these things you have to use. The given string is palindrome or not. Yeah, one more. The given number is primary number or not? Prime number or not? The given number is prime number or not?
Sir, my network is slow,
Okay.
sir. I'm typing slowly. It's coming, sir, for you.
Yeah, okay. The given number is prime number or not? So guys, is it only for me or for you also? I'm getting actually very late display. I mean, at least 3-4 seconds.
Sir, my Wi-Fi network is gone, sir, today. So I connected to my hotspot today.
Oh, okay, okay. Maybe that is the reason. Not
That
sure.
is
For me, at least 3 to 4 seconds it's
today I connected to
delay
the
is there.
hotspot,
Yeah.
sir, for today.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, it's gone. Okay. So open your. So I have a folder. Can you please open your putty session? Uh, Here, can you create a folder? Any folder. Create one folder. MKDAR sample. Enter. Sample one already there. Just create sample. Sample also there. CD to that. No, no. CD sample 2. That's what I said. LS. Can you create multiple files and folders? Hmm.
Sir, I can't understand, sir. 1 second.
Create multiple files.
One.
Files. Normal files. Text files. Create multiple files. Use touch command. Touch. How to create files? Touch command. Just say file 1, file 2, file 3, something like that. No, no, అలాగా file 1, space file 2, space file 3. Like.
Enough, sir.
Yeah, enter. So guys, my question is, I have one folder. Okay, na? So I have one folder, and what I want to do, Mm-mm. I want to make sure that, so I have to write a shell script at any point of time. Only latest two files should be available. Can you do ls space hyphen lt?
Sir,
ls space hyphen lt. Hyphen, not dash, not a slash. Mm. Enter. Here, what are the latest files? File 1 is latest. File 1 and file 2. Okay, now. Can you create some other files again? Touch. File 8, file 9. You can use shortcut also to create files. Hmm. Enough. Enter. Enter. Now to ls-lt. Clear the screen. Always make it from beginning. Now latest is file 10 and file 12. Sir, 11.
sir, file 10 to file 16 is the latest one.
అంటే అక్కడ while creating commands, maybe here you created in one shot, but at least fraction of seconds will be different. Okay, na.
Oh,
Example, you given like touch space, file 8 space, file 9 space, file 10, like this, right? So first
yes,
which file will be created? File
file 10.
8, then
Yes.
file 9, then file 10. So like that, right?
Yes, yes.
Sorry, I think reverse order.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So here ls-lt will show you which is the latest one. Okay. So file 10 and 11 created at the end of the, I mean, latest file. These two are latest files. Now, my question is, you have to write a shell script, okay, na? And only latest two files should be deleted. Sorry, available at any point of time. Assume that this is one application folder. So, guys, in general, in real time, some applications will keep on generate some files. Okay, now, so maybe log files. So they requested me, Amal, actually I have one folder. So in that folder, I'm getting my application files continuously. Because of that, my storage is getting full. Okay. So please clean up my folder. So please write a shell script to clean up my folder. So my condition is only latest two files should be available. That is my condition. Did you understand my question? Guys, here only latest two. Okay, leave it about manual assumption. If you run ls-lt, it will show you. Can you please create again two more files? Okay. So at any point of time, if I run my shell script, so it should print, it should keep only latest two files. Okay, now if I run my shell script, 18 and 19 only should be available. That is my shell script. Can you please write down question? Interview question. Sorry, task. So maybe can you try logic at least, guys? Now I don't need any script as of now. Can you please give me a logic? How can I do that? I need only latest two files. If I run my shell script, it should keep only latest two file in that folder. That is my question. Can you think logic once, guys? Hmm? Try what? Just say whatever you think, guys. First, how to get latest files? Order. Already I showed you the first command. ls-lt. Now in that list, can you please open your putty session? Yeah. ls space -lt. This is the first command in the shell script. Hmm. Now I need only file names. What should I do? Guys, in this output only file names I need. What should I do? AWK. Okay, by using AWK, I can find out, I can extract file names. So it will show like file 10, file 19, sorry, adenty 18, huh? Yeah, file 18, file 19, file 20, file 10, like that. Okay, now only first two lines should be available. Remaining all should be deleted. Tell me, guys, what is the logic? 20 lines I have. First two lines should be available. Remaining 18 should be, I don't know how many, 20 or 30 or, because it depends on application, right? Every time not same. So I cannot go with the line numbers. Guys, only first two I need. Remaining I don't know how many. I want to delete. What is the condition? But with head command, if I do n hyphen n2, it will list the first two files. But what is my question? I want to delete remaining, right? I need remaining names actually to delete the files. First two I want to keep. Remaining n number of files I want to delete. So I want to find the remaining file names, not first two files. Except to first two, remaining file names I should find out to delete them.
RMDIR.
No, my question is first tell me how to find out how to exclude first two lines.
These two lines, sir. 18 and 19.
Leave it here in this case 18 and 19. But no, when you run a shell script, the name might be differ, right?
Okay,
And I
okay.
cannot go with the file names, right? In this case, 18 and 19. But later it can be 2021. So my question is latest should be available. Old should be deleted. Hmm. So logic means in this way only you have to think, guys. Okay, first how to list the files in order. Then after first two lines I want to keep. I want to remove remaining. So how to get the remaining names and how to delete. Here three things you have to understand. Okay, give me control. I'm not able to manage your screen.
Yeah, today network slow today.
Yeah, chala slow. Anybody has Linux, guys?
Sir, you can
I
request
have
me for any control, sir. It's Vishnu here.
Vishnu. Yeah, Vishnu. Yeah, please go ahead. Open your Linux box.
Thanks, sir.
Clear the screen. Oh, great. You're doing in the back end. Okay. Clear the screen.
You can take the control, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So actually, I have a folder. In that, I have a number of files. Okay. I don't know exact number. 20 or 30 or 50 or all my what I can say requirement is I want to keep first two files because these are the latest. So I want to delete remaining. Okay, multiple ways are there, guys. So how to get the list first of all? Okay, now so this is the command. From that, or else directly also I can do, guys. I ls-lt not required. ls-t is enough. It will give only names, not the list. I mean a long list. Okay, see here. So this is also okay. Actually, ls command will show in line wise only. Okay, but here it is showing as a like single line only, but no problem. It will take it as a multi-line only. Now tell me. So first two files I need. Remaining I don't. I want to delete. So here think logic. If I get in this output, if I get these first two lines, I don't want to delete them, right? I want to delete these things. Whatever the files I have, I want to delete them. So this list I need. And here I want to maintain first two, right? So Vishnu, mute yourself. You're getting disturbance. Echo. Yeah. Vishnu, mute చేయండి. Mute yourself. Okay. Head hyphen n plus 3. Tail command. Yes. Okay. So tail command hyphen n plus 3 means it will print from the third line. Guys, with the tail command, I have two advantages. I can print last n number of lines. Okay, or else I can exclude first n number of lines. So two advantages I have with tail command. I used the second advantage. I excluded first two lines. Guys, from third line I printed. I don't know how many lines I have total. Okay, na 20 or 30 or 50 or doesn't matter. So from third line it will print all. Now exact. What is exact, guys? It will make number of lines into single line. Or that's it. But here I have multiple conditions. Okay, now. So my question is, one file is there. Maybe my shell script also available here only. I want to ignore that. Okay. So can you do one thing? Can you create a shell script? Just copy this command first of all. Keep it aside. Xargs. Xargs space rm space hyphen r. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. Are you able to hear me? So Vishnu, can you write down Xargs? Xargs. Yeah. Good. Xargs rm space hyphen r. rf hyphen rf. Just run it once. Do ls. See, guys, only latest files available. Can you please create again some other files? Now do ls hyphen l. No, yeah. Now file 12 and file 11. They should be available if I run my script. Run it. No, no, you give an LRT, right? Don't give LRT, just give LT. File 21 and 22 are latest. Okay, these two are latest. If I run my shell script, these two should be available. Run it. But here I want to add some conditions. Yeah. Okay, see, my command is working. Okay, let's add few conditions. Can you please create a shell script cleanup.sh? Yeah, fine, fine. Insert mode. Good. Bin bash. That command. Save it. But here my question is, if I run this script now, at some point of time, it will consider this also, right? Actually, my script should not consider this one. I want to ignore this. Only it should consider this thing. Guys, now if I run my shell script, what are the latest two files? See, it is taking my script as also latest. Actually, I written this script to manage these files. Yes or no? So my script should take these two, not this one. Completely my script should ignore this file. What should I do now? So let me write down. Let me run my script. See, file 22 should not be deleted actually. So my script not working. What should I do now? How to ignore my script? Guys, so it should not consider my file. What logic I have to write?
We can check to exclude the executable files.
But you may have other executable file also. Okay, logic is this is how you have to think. That's good. At least you got some idea. Okay, but maybe you may have other executable also. It's which are related to your application. Next, that is one idea. Good. Executable you can exclude if condition. Next, I want to ignore my file name. How to ignore from the outputs? It should not consider my name, my script name. So inside a shell script, how can I ignore while deleting? Hmm? Think logic, guys. Here we have number of text processing tools. If I do ls-lt or ls-t, I'm getting all these things. How to ignore this file? So from this output, how to make sure that this line should not be visible. Actually, here it's line basis only, guys. It's showing single line only, but it will take as number of lines only. This is in one line, second line, third line. So how to ignore this line? How to ignore a particular line? Maybe if I know the file name. How to ignore a keyword? I don't know. I don't want to print this line where this keyword is there. What should I do? Huh? Grep
Grep hyphen B.
hyphen B non-matching lines. Now you can, so this particular line you can add there. So this is what shell script, guys. Okay, now so one by one you have to add logics here before this. So now onwards it won't consider cleanup.sh. Actually, if I run now, yeah. So this is so my generally my command showing this is the latest. So now see, yeah, my script is working. Okay. So maybe in case you don't know file name, someone said one logic. So please exclude executable file. How to find out executable file, guys? Whether it's executable file or not? In if condition, I told you we have some predefined values. What is the predefined option in if condition to find out executable or not? I think hyphen x to file name. So if condition you have to write down, and for loop also along with if condition, because each file you have to forward it to, you have to check, right? So for loop you have to write. Okay. So guys, this is how we develop our logics one by one. First, like how to list out latest files. In that, if you want to ignore anything, again you have to add a logic for that. Okay, now again, maybe I want to take my folder name as positional parameter, not like this. No, here you are in sample folder, right? But assume that there are multiple folders I have. So that application guy, they want to take it as a positional parameter. Okay, na? So maybe sample one, sample two. Total 3 directories they have. Assume that. So whichever directory they given, that directory only it should clean up. Okay. But here one more question. If you give any wrong directory, except example. Okay. These three are application related folders. So $1 should be only these three folders. If any other folder if I give, it should not run. What is the logic, guys? If $1 or this, then only I want to proceed further. Otherwise, I don't want to proceed. What should I do? ఈ మూడిట్లో ఏదో ఒక డైరెక్టరీ ఇస్తేనే నా స్క్రిప్ట్ రన్ అవ్వాలి. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఇఫ్ ఐ గివ్ /etc, the script should not be proceeded, should not run. What should I do? Think, guys.
We can use the OR operators.
Okay, with if condition. $1 equals to sample. Okay, if one of these three, then only I want to run this command. Otherwise, I want to ignore this. So this is how we'll write the shell script, guys. Okay, now. So now maybe this logic I told you, right? If I don't know the file name, but some logic like all executables I want to ignore. Okay, now something like that. Then again, one more if condition I have to write in this case. If I don't know this file name, only all executables I want to ignore. So what I will do then? So guys, my requirement is all executable files I want to ignore. So how to send this into, maybe I can do in this way. For loop I in do the if condition. Maybe do one thing. So this for loop anyway, like I want to say one more time. Okay, na? So I will show you this for loop syntax in tomorrow class. Can you please, Vishnu, send it in the group chat? Okay, na? So don't delete this. We'll develop this script in tomorrow class for loop. Okay, na? So for loop, I want to say one more time about the syntax and how it works. What is the use case of for loop? Then we'll develop this. Okay, as of now, just we'll go with this only. Okay. Yeah. So guys, see, script is nothing but see those text processing tools and variables only. Then if condition for loop. If you understand all these four, that's it. You can write on any kind of shell script. We have to think logic. Logic one by one you have to add by using these four components like if condition, for loop, text processing tool, variables. I know definitely it's not an easy thing, but you need more practice. Number of times you have to do. So okay, then only you can understand these things. Yeah. Okay then. Vishnu, please make sure that send this and keep this EC2 instance. Just shut down and keep it ready before class. Okay, na? Don't delete it.
Sure.
Hello,
Sure.
Vishnu, are you there?
Sure.
Yeah, just shut down it. Don't delete it. We'll continue in tomorrow class.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay then.